What's up, everybody? This is Todd Kowalski from TKO Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Facebook pixel on your WordPress. Here we are in the Events Manager. So first you need to have your business account set up. If you don't have a business account set up, feel free to ask me how to get set up, and I'll be happy to walk you through it. So assuming you have that installed, you go to the Events Manager, which can be found under Measure and Report. And here you'll see a menu item for pixels. Let's click that. And here's our data sources. Create a Facebook pixel. It allows you to track website activity, improve your return on advertising, and reach new and existing customers. Sounds like exactly what we want to do. So we're going to hit this pixel button. We're going to call it TKO Solutions Contact Form Pixel. And we're going to leave the website blank for now. Okay. This dialog pops up, and we're going to connect a partner platform. Here's a list of all these integrations, and if you scroll down, you'll see one for WordPress. And we click download. It's going to download something. Since I am on a Mac, I'm going to need to rezip that in just a minute. Let's try that again. Control click or right click. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to go into our WordPress. So everybody's WordPress is going to look slightly different. If you go to the plugins menu, you're going to see the option, the button to add new. Click that. Then we're going to select upload plugin. Choose file. Mine's in downloads. You can see the file Facebook pixel, and it was created just now. Click install. Failed. That's not good. Because let's try reinstalling that. Great. You should see this plugin installed successfully. Then select Activate Plugin. And hopefully our pixel is active. We go back to the Facebook Events Manager, click Next. This is just walking you through the setup. Activate plugin. So now we're going to verify it. And then click Send Test Traffic. My site's behind a firewall since it's still in development. Here you'll see the validation, the verify your pixel is working. We got the green light. It says it's active. Now we can continue. and our setup is complete. So stay tuned. We're going to add some more videos about creating ads and tying that to the pixel, and eventually we'll get to videos about reading the analytics and understanding what's going on as we run ads and see the pixel performance. So stay tuned. Hope you found that useful, and see you next time.